Entertaining TV here. Today, I'm going to show you guys I did a cash out. You know, every time I do my cash outs, I drop a new video for you guys to let you know that this app is still working, and they also are on the websites. Surveys, download apps, share with friends. Super easy to make money with this app slash website now. You do surveys, you get points, you download apps, fun apps, games, you reach certain levels, and you go ahead and cash in your points, whether it's gift cards or cash, Bitcoin. They have almost everything. I've been rocking with them for a long time. I've made over $10,000 with them. I want to show you guys the proof. It's like one stuck in there. And I might need your help with this one, baby. This is a lot of money. I make money at home online, and this took 1 month. Oh my goodness. This is money porn, guys. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. But first, let's watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, guys, this is my new Instagram for Entertaining TV. I would love for you guys to come check it out and follow me. And this is just some of the proof that I've probably made over $10,000 just this year alone. Look at this. In this year period of time. So you got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. Over $10,000, yo. That's amazing. These are old pictures. Right here, I released $100. I'm just showing you guys the proof. Right here, Feature Points has sent you $100. I'm gonna click on the picture. Hey. TapJane Corp sent you $500. This is Feature Points. See right there. Right here, $200. So this is just the payment proof. This is what I was trying to show you guys. December 1st, 2018. This is the payment proof. All I do 3 things. Surveys, download apps, share links through the entire social media world. I can do that as much as I want all day. There's no limit. They don't want anything from you guys, just an email, and you guys download the apps, you participate, you use the apps for a few minutes, you do the surveys, you finish the surveys, you share, don't lie, share, let people know. My code gives you 50 points if you do sign up. You can find it in the link in the description below. Share your links on my channel. You can share them on, Facebook, Instagram. You can share them on this Instagram. You can drop it in the comment section. I don't care, guys. I want everybody to eat. That's why I'll show you this. I dealt with homelessness. I've made a lot of money with this, man. I made a lot. So I'm just trying to spread the love. I'm just showing you guys what's working. This is working. Don't give up. Don't get discouraged if you don't get your $1 million. No, you're going to start off slow. I started off slow, and it progressed because I didn't give up and I kept trying, okay? So this is proof, guys. This is proof. I would love for you guys to go ahead and, subscribe to that, follow me, and, let's continue with this journey of making money at home online. Yep, this is Feach. Go back to it. Super simple. Every time there's a cash out, there will be a updated video. Every time they change something new, I will update you guys and let you guys know I'm still using this. It's still working. If you have any problems, let me know. Instagram, you can contact me, Snapchat, or in the comments below. I'll try to get to them to the best way, and I'll keep dropping videos on Feature Points. This is a really great app slash website now, and I will keep dropping videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop the like, drop the hate. Drop a comment. I'm there for everything. All right, guys. Peace. Love you all.